Pydantic AI agents, designed for building robust generative AI applications, integrate with observability platforms to provide detailed insights into their execution. This integration allows for comprehensive tracing of agent behavior, including message exchanges, tool calls, and performance metrics, which is crucial for debugging and monitoring complex AI workflows. The following code snippet demonstrates the initial steps for enabling this observability by configuring Logfire and instrumenting Pydantic AI to automatically capture and report agent run details.
Import Logfire. Logfire, configure. Logfire, instrument Pydantic AI.
This code snippet demonstrates the integration of Pydantic AI with Logfire for enhanced observability. By calling Logfire, configure, the Logfire SDK is initialized, setting up the necessary infrastructure for tracing and logging. Subsequently, Logfire, instrument Pydantic AI, specifically enables automatic instrumentation for Pydantic AI agents, ensuring that detailed operational data from agent runs is captured. This instrumentation provides critical visibility into the stochastic nature of AI agents, allowing developers to trace messages, tool calls, token usage, and errors. This is crucial for debugging, performance optimization, and monitoring in both development and production environments, where traditional observability methods fall short due to the unpredictable behavior of LLMs. The integration leverages OpenTelemetry, making the captured data compatible with various observability backends. Let's break it down line by line.
Import Logfire.
Imports the Logfire library, making its functionalities available for use in the current script.
Logfire, configure.
Initializes the Logfire observability client with its default configuration.
Logfire, instrument Pydantic AI.
Enables Logfire's instrumentation for Pydantic AI, allowing detailed tracing of agent runs. The core insight here is that robust generative AI applications, particularly those built with Pydantic AI agents, demand specialized observability due to their stochastic nature. The import Logfire, configure, and Logfire, instrument Pydantic AI, sequence directly addresses this by setting up the Logfire SDK and then specifically enabling automatic instrumentation for Pydantic AI. This integration ensures that critical operational data, like message exchanges, tool calls, and performance metrics, is automatically captured and made available for tracing. This detailed visibility is crucial for debugging, optimizing, and monitoring complex AI workflows where traditional methods fall short, ultimately allowing developers to understand and manage the unpredictable behavior inherent in large language model interactions.
The configure whisper. Instrument Pydantic AI now watches the stochastic agent dance.